Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Wednesday, December 17th. Another day down with the markets closing on their lows in the stock indexes. E-mini S&P, new relative lows at 1968, 5% threshold from the top, so we'll look to see if this holds as a support. The close was 1971.5, down 18.5 points. Dow futures lost 118, 17,007. Session low 16,974. So now we're pivoting around the 17,000 level when we were just chasing 18,000. The Nasdaq got hit as well, down 1%, 41.64, down 77 points. The dollar down 39 at 88.30. 87.83 was the low there. Saw a little bit of a bounce later on in the day. The euro currency got as high as 125.79, having trouble getting back above 126, but does look like it's basing out here. The close was up 51 points at 124.95. The bond market had a surge, big flight to quality. 146.19 was the session high. Closed off of that, closed up 22 points at 145.23. Not new highs, though the market made new relative lows. Crude oil up 2 cents. That's a big deal. 55.93 positive in crude. The session low was 53.60, so it made new lows and closed positive by only 2 cents. So we'll have to see if it gets any follow through. And lastly, gold down $13 at 11.94, some unwinding that we're seeing in the metal market. So after a bash at the close one more time, where do the markets sit here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're positive. We're up 12 points in the E-mini S&P, getting back some of the losses from yesterday afternoon. Again, it was the last hour that beat up the markets. The Dow futures are up 87, 17,094, back above 17,000 level, and the Nasdaq's at 41.10, up 27. The dollar's up 15 at 88.45, euros down 28, 124.67. Bonds are continuing to unwind, down 19 at 145.06. We saw that divergence yesterday. Let's see if it's for real over the next couple of sessions. Crude oil down another $1.20 at 55.10, but still solidly above yesterday's lows at 53.60. Looking for a base or at least some stability there. And lastly, gold's right at our threshold, right at $1,200 an ounce, up $6 as it stands right now, that we want to watch on a weekly basis. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're bouncing back. We're up 12 in the E-mini S&P, we're up 87 in the Dow, and we're up 27 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir here at the CME Group. Alan Nuckman, see you tomorrow.